Welcome to Bitwise Guru, your go-to channel for everything crypto. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bitwise Guru. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about topics in the crypto world right now, the Pi Network Mainnet launch. If you've been curious about what Pi Network is, why it's making headlines, and what this Mainnet launch means for its future, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's break it down. Pi Network is a cryptocurrency project that started in 2019, aiming to make crypto mining accessible to everyone. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, Pi doesn't require expensive hardware or massive energy consumption. Instead, you can mine Pi directly from your phone. Yes, your phone. This unique approach has attracted over 35 million users worldwide, making it one of the most popular crypto projects out there. But here's the big news. Pi Network has finally launched its mainnet. For those who don't know, mainnet is a huge milestone for any blockchain project. It means the network is now fully operational and independent, moving away from its testnet phase. This is where things get real. During the testnet phase, Pi was essentially in practice mode. Developers tested the network and users mined Pi coins, but those coins weren't tradable or worth real money. Now, with the mainnet launch, Pi is transitioning to a fully decentralized blockchain. This means Pi coins can now be used for real-world transactions and their value will be determined by the market. But wait, there's a catch. Not all Pi coins mined during the testnet phase will be transferred to the mainnet. The Pi Core team has introduced a new concept called KYC, Know Your Customer. Users need to verify their identity to migrate their Pi coins to the mainnet. This step ensures the network remains secure and compliant with regulations. So, what does this mean for the future of Pi Network? Well, the mainnet launch is a major step toward Pi's goal of creating a decentralized and inclusive digital currency. If successful, Pi could become a game changer in the crypto space, especially for people in developing countries who don't have access to traditional banking systems. Of course, like any crypto project, Pi Network has its skeptics. Some people question whether Pi will ever achieve real-world value, or if it's just another hype train. But with millions of users and a strong community, Pi Network is definitely one to watch. So what do you think about Pi Network? Are you excited about the mainnet launch, or do you have doubts? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bitwise Guru for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.